Good morning, my dear students. Last class we have seen monohybrid cross. In that cross we selected only one trait, means height of the pea plant. Okay, then we denoted tallness, capital T, T, and dwarf, small t, small t. So after that cross we got phenotypic ratio, that is 3:1, and the genotypic ratio means the genetic constitution, that is 1:2:1. Okay, phenotype means physical characters, that is 3:1, and the genotype means genetic characters, that is 1:2:1. Today we will learn about dihybrid cross. In that we will take two characters. Monohybrid we took only one character. Okay, that was height of the pea plant. In this dihybrid we will consider two traits. One is the shape of the seed and another one is the color of the seed. Okay, so we are taking two traits, shape and the color of the seed. So we are taking two type of the pea plant. One is yellow round seed and another one is wrinkled. Wrinkled means not round, little crushed, wrinkled and green seed. So we are doing one cross pollination. So let's see, this we can represent, very important. We can represent using the Punnett square or checkerboard. Let's see how it is. So dihybrid cross, we are taking two plants and we are crossing it. So we are considering two characters. So it is a cross between, you can write it down in your rough notebook. It is a cross between round yellow seed cross with wrinkled green seed. You can write it down. After some time I have to rub it, so you can write in your rough book. Okay, so round yellow seed and wrinkled green seed, we are crossing it. Okay, so the gametes, next step is gametes. You have to write gametes. Gametes for fertilization. Gametes we will represent like capital R, capital Y, and then we will circle it. Okay, then capital R, capital Y, 2 will be there. Then small r, small y, and small r, small y. Okay, these are the gametes. So you can see round is capital R, yellow is capital Y. Okay, so the parents, just I will write once again, capital R, capital R, capital Y, capital Y. In the case of wrinkled green seed, it is small r, small y, small y. So just see round, I am representing by, I am giving R. So wrinkled we cannot take W or anything. Same alphabet you have to use with small letters. Okay, so wrinkled I am denoting by small letter R. Okay, then yellow I am taking capital Y. So green you cannot take G. Same alphabet, lowercase means small letter we have to use. Okay, is it clear? So round yellow seed we are representing by capital R, capital R, capital Y, and we are crossing it by wrinkled green seed, small r, small y. Okay, then we are getting 4 gametes, 2 gametes from the round yellow seed, capital R, capital Y. So we have to circle it. So this is one gamete and this is another gamete. This is one gamete, small r, small y, wrinkled green seed and wrinkled yellow seed. So now we are drawing one checkerboard or Punnett square. So this is which generation? This is F1. Okay, this is F1 generation and we are drawing Punnett square. Punnett square. Okay, so here we will write one side, we will write one seed color, and next side we will write next plant seed color. Okay, so here we will write capital R, capital Y, these two we will write here, and capital Y, sorry, capital R, capital Y. Okay, then this side we will write small r, small y, and small r, small y. Okay, then we are doing like this. Till here, I think, hope it is clear. Now what we have to do, first we should write capital letter. So first one, what it will be, capital R, then next one small r, capital Y, small y. Okay, the next it will be capital R, small r, capital Y, and small y. Next one here, capital R, then small r, capital Y, small y. Then here capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. So what will be the phenotype of this? All will be, the phenotype will be, all will be what? Round yellow seed, right? Because R is dominant over this wrinkled. That round is dominant over recessive. So all will be what? Phenotype, what will be? Phenotype will be all round yellow plant. Okay, now we are doing, so till here we done this one, we done cross pollination. Okay, so this we got F1 generation. This is what? F1 generation. We got all round yellow seed plants. Okay, all round yellow seed plants. Now next step is we are doing F2 generation. That what we are doing, these plants we are self-pollinating. That we will see after this. After F1 generation, we are doing F2 generation by self-pollination. So this one, capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. This is round yellow plant. We are self-pollinating with another round yellow seed plant. Okay, so now we are getting gametes. First from this capital R, capital Y, that is the first gamete. Next one is capital R, small y. Okay, first is capital R, capital Y, then capital R, small y, then small r, capital Y, small r, small y. So it is self-pollinating with same gametes like next plant, capital R, capital Y, capital R, small y, small r, capital Y, and small r, small y. So now we are doing F2 generation, that we will represent by Punnett square. Let's see how it is. So I am drawing one checkerboard Punnett square. So you have to draw with me. So one side, one plant we will draw, one side gamete, and another side gamete. So first of all, we will write here, this 4, we will write this side. Capital R, capital Y. So always circle the gametes. Capital R, small y, small r, capital Y, and small r, small y. Same way this side also you have to write. Capital R, capital Y, then capital R, small y, small r, capital Y, and small r, small y. Okay, so both sides you got gamete. Then draw lines like this, and now we will write the type of plants which we are getting. So first one we will get capital R, capital R, capital Y, capital Y. So this will be pure one, pure homozygous round yellow. Okay, then next one you will get capital R, capital R, capital Y, small y. So always be keep in mind that always you should write capital letter first. Okay, so for this one capital R is there, small r is there. So first you should write capital R, then small r, capital Y, then capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. Okay, then capital R, capital R, capital R, capital Y, small y, capital R, small y, small y. The next one capital R, capital Y, small y, capital R, capital Y, small y. This one capital R, capital Y, and then small y. Sorry, capital Y. Next one capital R, capital Y. It is small y. Okay, this is small y. Sorry, this is capital Y only. This is capital Y. Then, okay. Next one, capital R, sorry, small r, capital Y, Next one, small r, capital Y, small y. Okay. Next one, capital R, capital Y, small y. Next one, capital R, small y, and small y. Okay. Next one, small r, capital Y, small y. Next one, small r, small y, small y. So like this you have to draw. So you will feel it is very simple. Actually it is very simple, but you should practice it how to draw. Okay. So in this case you can see first one, that is pure homozygous round yellow. Okay, and intermediate you can see different types of heterozygous plants. And last, this one is pure homozygous wrinkled green. Okay, so first one will be pure homozygous. Here also we can see pure homozygous wrinkled green plant. So after dihybrid cross, we are getting 4 types of seed plants. Okay, so round yellow, the plants which have round yellow seed, it will be 9. So it may be, it contain RR, capital RR, capital Y, and capital R, capital Y, and small y, capital R, small r, capital Y, capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. So this 4, you can see this one, the round character and yellow character is dominant. So 9 we will get round yellow seed plant. Okay, then we will get round green plant. Round green plant will be 3, that you have to see in your checkerboard and find it out which all types we can see. And the wrinkled yellow will be 3, and wrinkled green, that will be 1. Wrinkled green means pure, like small y, small y. That is wrinkled green. That will be pure. And then wrinkled yellow, it contains small r, capital Y, small r, capital Y, capital Y. This will be 3 plants will be the remaining, will be green, round green. So what will be the genotypic ratio? First we will see the phenotypic ratio. Phenotypic ratio means the physical ratio, phenotypic ratio of dihybrid cross will be, typic ratio of dihybrid cross will be 9:3:3:1. 9 round yellow, 3 round green, 3 wrinkled yellow and 1 wrinkled green. Okay. Then genotypic ratio. Usually in questions they will ask phenotypic ratio. We have to draw dihybrid cross and you have to mention phenotypic ratio. Let's see, just we will see what is genotypic ratio. That is little complicated. Just I will write 1:2, 2:2, 2:1, 4, 2, 2:1:1. This is a genotypic ratio. So it is good to learn, but usually it will ask phenotypic ratio. So that is 9:3:3:1 and genotypic ratio is 1:2:2:1:4:2:1:1. Okay, so listen, this monohybrid cross and dihybrid cross is very important. So you have to practice in your rough book. Okay, 1 or 2 times. You will feel that it's very easy, but it is you have to practice it. Then only you will understand that one. Okay, I hope it is clear to you.